Funky D. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, today, the news when I get from us says Ihedioha losses as Supreme Court uphold Imo judgment. So, but before we go into the news, make I use this medium. Tell those of you who never subscribe before, make una dey subscribe, make una dey share, make una dey follow, dey share from this video. Una know say na all of una, both the ones who don't subscribe, both my viewers, all of una they carry me, they go. Now all of una make me dey here. Okay. So the news when we get today, like I said before, now about this Imo State people. Ihedioha. We don't see Ihedioha now, and opposite them they do pali. And the people they there, they kill themselves because of Ihedioha or because of opposite them. Make you remember, see, if you kill yourself because of politician not get your time. Now you don't die with that. Today, they tell us, see, they don't go Supreme Court. Una know, see, they don't go the Supreme Court before when they take, truncate the first verdict when say na Ihedioha na him win the election. He can carry and go give hope of them. Ihedioha say no, and PDP people say no. Say they must to review the thing in the same Supreme Court. I don't tell you before in the other of my video. People when they follow me, they know when I make prediction. I know my prediction they stand by. I don't tell you say now time Ihedioha and PDP people then they waste. Say the court, the Supreme Court led by Tanko Muhammad, aka the Sharia master. I don't tell you say the man no go ever change his position. Say they no go ever. Say as they don't talk, see na hopes of them na him them put there for them when be the APC people. So that they go get chance strangled the whole Igbo people in the eastern part of the country. So now the same thing now happen. Go check my videos. When I don't tell them, I say those people when they go pray, say na time, then they waste to they pray that prayer. Because that kind of prayer, I not see how that kind of prayer won't take work. One I know say Atiku Abubakar and Buhari, then all of them now the same thing when them be. So if you they pray, say make Atiku Abubakar come, it's still the same thing. Say you they pray, say make Buhari coming. Because all these people, now them be the problem when we get in that country. I don't tell you before, say all of us don't tire for APC, tire for PDP. Make una change on our mindset. Imo State people say no. Look at waiting Okorocha don't do it own do. Una not fit still do nothing to Okorocha. Okorocha they parabolate up and down. 247 they come Imo State. Nobody fit make him. But when Okorocha they power, so that they still make the same noise what they make. Just exactly the same thing again when they make the same noise on this whole post of them matter and Ihedioha. So the news they tell us today say the Supreme Court on Tuesday when be today say then dismiss the application brought by the SY governor what they call Emeka Ihedioha. Now bring the application come to the same Supreme Court when they tell and say in lost election. See now somebody when come out fourth position, now in come out first. That is the hope the Ozodem man. So they bring that petition for review. So the thing now when they review today, according to waiting the news, they tell us say the judgment today in favor of incumbent governor Hope Ozodema of Imo State. Say the reason why, you know say get one English when these people they speak when they make me laugh sometimes. Then go say the reason why when Tanko Muhammad na talk the reason why when the same thing when I talk about Jubri, the reason why when then they dismiss the case, be say the case lack merit. Now the game be that. Once I tell you that, the cabals when they are so rock. The Fulani herdsmen when they are so rock, they disturb Nigerian people up and down. They disturb the peace of Imolites. I tell una say this thing when the Supreme Court and the APC people do, not to bring crisis in Imo State, not to bring misunderstanding to brothers in Imo State there, not to bring misunderstanding and not to bring war, fight against themselves. Don't be the Imo people. Then they decide within the nonsense what they decide, now not that they decide that. Uno still there, they shout one Nigeria. I tell una see why Uno no go come join Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the IPOB, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Make una stop wasting una time. APC will never help you. PDP, nothing for you. If you shout and cry and smile from here to America, APC, they no go help you. The government of the day can never help you. Make una stop. Then calm down to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. That is the ultimate change. That is the game changer of every suffer when everybody is suffering in that country. All this impunity when they happen, all these oppressions and intimidation from APC and PDP, the only ultimate changer na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which is the actualization of Biafra for the indigenous people of the Biafra land. Now there be the only game changer. If you vote APC or Hopus Adema or even Ihedioha from here to next generation to come, the same oppression, the same intimidation, now you go to see. Now the same thing we go to hear, the same killing we go to hear, the same herdsmen, Boko Haram, ISWAP, ISIS, all this nonsense, kidnappers and bandits, the same thing you go to hear they go. Nothing can stop it. If nothing say one day this killing, this Boko Haram, all these things when they happen, say you go can't change in that country, una they kill una time. Under this APC and PDP. And again, the only thing when go change the whole situation in that country, now the same Biafra. So I don't tell una when be Imolites, people from Enugu State, people from Ebonyi State, people from Onitsha, Anambra State, different state in that Igbo land, make una come together to embrace IPOB. That is the only way when we go dey safe in that country. Come and embrace Biafra in general. That is the only way to come and embrace Biafra. Now, we continue with the waiting with the Nyano because we never finish the Nyaning. Okay? We never finish the Nyaning, ladies and gentlemen. Then claim, Tanko Muhammad, the person when bring Sharia law into Nigeria, when sign them in the 12th state, the 12th northern state of the country. Now in the Nyana say, the case of Emeka Ihedioha lacks merit. One justice, what they call Justice Olu Kayode Ari Wola, na him come they read the ruling. He come talk say the matter when concern this matter when then go judge to the inside court. Say na the final judgment be that. Say na so it be, na so then rule and na so it be. And however, another one what they call Justice Santos Nweze. Now the man na one of the members of the 7-man panel. Okay. He can talk say the ruling when they rule. Say it go continue to the hunt the legal jurisprudence of the apex court on the issue of its status of finality. Now that one talk. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, they come further say nothing will stop nothing will make them to change their own mind when they don't already talk say na Hope Uzodinma na him win the election. See, nothing will make them change the matter. In fact, the news now na him dey everywhere about these two people. Again, it's still there. It says Supreme Court dismisses Ihedioha's application. Okay. So make we talk about this one small again. This particular side. They said 6-1 judgment. The Supreme Court on Tuesday today again dismisses the same application of that sack governor of Imo State when be Emeka Ihedioha over the court for a review of the court's January 14th, 2020 judgment when the talk say make them still bring back the same man. And the person when they lead them are still the same Ibrahim Tanko Muhammad within people. When they there, they deceive the whole 200 million Nigerian people and una they there. Now so they still do Buhari on. When they say Atiku on lack merit, although we know Atiku rig, Atiku lack merit, Buhari on lack merit. Buhari come on board with 2 certificates. When he take graduate, I mean when he take and say I take go school somewhere where in go school when from Kidi don't know where Buhari when they inside farm 247. They carry Melu, they walk up and down. 2 certificates, 2 of them, none of them tally. The same thing when they talk Atiku Abubakar lack merit. Now the same language they use for this. All of una go continue to the lack merit until when una go realize waiting they happen. Una never know waiting they happen. Una never know waiting they come for una. Now they don't succeed to put Uzodinma. Just the same way when they succeed to put Jubril from Sudan. This 2019, contest 9 win election. Una they pray. Well, instead of una to they pray, make Biafra come so that all of una go come up for inside this bondage. One una day inside this Fulani bondage. Una don't know say una dey Fulani bondage. Now una go know. Una they shout APC, PDP, APC, PDP all the time. Look, Koro this one na Koro cheating. Even him when be Hope Uzodinma when they say na him win. They don't talk. Hope Uzodinma don't use him mouth talk say the election say he no go accept and say the election still lack merit. Say make them do rerun. Hope Uzodinma not believe himself. Hope Uzodinma don't talk say the election say they must to do rerun. He no say himself no win. He talk and say he no win. But then carry the power still give her. Say na him win election. Because him talk say he gets some places when we say they never even cast a vote finish, they never count the vote. So why una not go to do election in those areas instead of saying that, oh, na Hope Uzodinma na him win election. Hope Uzodinma himself, he not trusting, he no say he not win that election. So for people to put Hope Uzodinma there is a purpose, there is a secret, a reason why, there is a reason why they put Hope Uzodinma there. Hope Uzodinma don't talk say the election, he not won the election. Himself no, say the election not be real election what they do. So tell me now whether I not be shameful thing to the Supreme Court or to the justice or the justices or the man when they call himself Tanko Muhammad. So everything what they do in that country is fraud. Now there from Kurdistan and now there I will continue to stand until Biafra come. Because now Biafra matter now we dey now. We not dey one Nigeria level anymore. Now one Nigerian thing also is scam. So the matter when they be say the Imolite people make una come embrace Biafra. When we say na Biafra land all of una come from. Hope Uzodinma they come and they talk say the person when come visit them say na Emeka Ihedioha uncle, I been a cousin, I been a relative. You go wonder. See a person when you are an equality in relative they come visit you and you come welcome them. From Kidi say one of the thing when Hope Uzodinma talk say na imam when come from, in fact when be Emeka Ihedioha relative right come visit them. So again, another thing when I want talk here, BC. I now understand the way when Nigeria they play out now, because all these people when we say them be governors, all of them now in Abuja, all of them they. Every now and then Abuja. So how you want tell me say you they govern your state when we say na Abuja you they live, Abuja you stay, all your things na Abuja every day, Abuja, 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 Abuja. So how these people, even we hear the case of Zamfara, when we say that Zamfara on 247, that one even now inside that rock there, that one they live. 2019, when that lady come and come, they shout, say the governor, they try, the governor of Zamfara state, say every day, that man say Aso Rock, the man day 247. Not be the one of Yaya Bello. Now Yaya Bello Matana, when they say they won't probe Yaya Bello because of another money, I've been a forged result again when that man take come. Still, that one pendo, before you know, their 8 years don't go. Then APC, they come out 247. We go do, we vow to do, we go they promise, we promise to do, we go act. Today, then go vow. Tomorrow, then go vow. Next tomorrow, then go vow. Before you know, 8 years don't disappear. So, and now the thing when Nigerian people will continue to the see until when all of una go realize, say, all these people, from number one person when they also rock there, all of them are fraud. All of them are impostors. Until when una go realize that, now the way when things go continue to they be. The Boko Haram go they continue to they do what they do. Herdsmen go continue, and they'll them when they on top go they say, we promise to do. We vow. Before you know, 8 years don't waka. Nigeria they where it dey. So once again, the people of the southeast, the only savior, when go save Ona from these northerners, na Biafra. Whether you like it or not, now the Biafra be the only savior. You understand? So before una begin do all this, what una they do, I don't tell una see whether una protest, that kind of protest, when una they do like see una they pray. I don't know who una they pray to start with. Now wasting of time. Now once again, the thing when I tell una see the Supreme Court where they stand. Now let them go stand. Emeka Ihedioha. No more. And you go bow. See people like that don't carry money. Because last time we don't see when we don't hear when the man they talk say not fit again. Just like the one day for all of them, they give them money to close their mouths. Then go walk inside their house peacefully. I don't tell them that the Leon own whether or not so fighter they fight. They never even talk say Leon non win. He don't hands up. Fighter. That Leon not fight reach home. So you will see say something done underground. So these northerners then go manipulate all of una heads until una head go come correct. Because them no say una head not correct. Them no say all of una not they think the way when person supposed to think. Them no say anything when they tell una go they buy them they go. So them go continue to they do what they do. For those of una when they go back Buhari, they go back Jubri, they go back, but I don't tell una before. As when they go back there, they go say, man, they still they beg, we go continue to they kill them. We go continue to they use Boko Haram against them until we achieve our aim. Now their aim they won't achieve, not be your own aim. Then get aim. Their aim not to Islamize your head. Their aim not to make sure say that caliphate day everywhere in Nigeria. Then they go come hijack everybody. Now be their aim. That's why you see, if they're not they go, they're not they near that. I see one news when the news come they talk say the time when they kill those 50 people recently, say army people come kill some. Why una they lie, all these writers? The news tell us say people when witness the fight, when witness the shooting from the Boko Haram people, then talk say no army, no police, In fact, said it hours when these people don't go, now him army can't come. But you got one news when they talk say army tried to come, to counter, to respond. What are you responding? I don't ask how many people. All this one when they claim say they kill Boko Haram, they kill Boko Haram. We never see any video when she say army kill any Boko Haram recently. They know they show them. We want to see and where because when Boko Haram they kill army people, then they display their own to the world. So make una stop to the lie. If una do good, we go say una do good. But now una know they do nothing. All of una get the same agenda with Jubril al-Sudani, the foreign president of Nigeria. The imported president of Nigeria. Now him scatter everywhere. Scatter Imo states. Una. I say if una not repent, all of una when they there in that country, if una not change your mindset, all these things no go stop. Then go continue. One love, everybody. See you next.